Hey guys, welcome to Tech-Seee, Tech Made Simple. In today's episode, I'll be teaching how to create a US UK TikTok account without you even being there. That you'll be able to monetize your TikTok and get paid, as you can see. So please, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on our notification bell so that you'll be the first to see anytime we drop our content. So now, without much ado, let's get straight into it.
Okay, so before you can create a US or a UK TikTok account without you being in the country, this is what you have to do. You first have to have a Gmail account. A Gmail account. The account creation, when you're creating, don't add any phone number. Just skip. Don't add any phone number and add a recovery email so that the creation can be smooth for you. If you don't know how to create the Gmail and how to skip the number, just say it in the comment section. I'm going to do a video to that. Now let's get straight into it. I'm going to open my TikTok app, and then you're going to see this interface. So you can see sign up for TikTok, number, email, Facebook, Apple, and then Google. Tap on continue with Google. Then, but before that, let's check on the down here. By looking at the down here, you can see by continuing with an account located in Ghana, you agree to our terms and acknowledge that you have read our privacy policy. But as you can see, Ghana is being highlighted, and mind you, I'm in Ghana. You can be in Nigeria or Togo or anywhere, but to change this, because you're not creating the TikTok app in in your country, and we are specifically creating it in UK or US, you tap on the Ghana. See, it's loading. It has opened these countries. You understand? And you're going to select United Kingdom or United States. I already have a United States account, so I'm going to create a United Kingdom account. So now, as you can see, it has changed at the down here. It has changed from Ghana to United Kingdom. We are going to tap now on continue with Google. Tap on continue with Google, then tap continue. So all the accounts you have, all the Gmails you've opened on your phone are going to come here, and then just select the one. I'm going to use Tech-Seee because I'm creating a UK account for Tech-Seee. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do well to subscribe to our channel, and then turn on our notification bell so anytime we bring quality videos like this, you'll be the first to see. And then do well to also share our page so we can build up our community. As of now, we have only like 1 or 2 subscribers, which is very bad. I hope this video finds you. Then do well to subscribe. So you tap on the Tech-Seee, and then you let it load. Then you come down here, then tap on continue, and wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Wait for it to load. Yes. So now we are going to set our birthdays. Make sure the birthday you set here corresponds to the one you use at your Gmail, and then it should be accurate. So let me do mine. Okay, next. And then it's going to ask for the name. So we are going to put Tech-Seee, Tech-Seee, then continue. So now we have successfully logged in and created the account. Let's check if the account is truly a United Kingdom account. So we'll come on settings, and then we'll come on settings and privacy, and then account. So account information, yes. So now you can see account region United Kingdom. Account region United Kingdom. So we have successfully created a United Kingdom account. So to last verify, let's check our monetization. If we can see, yes, so we can see a creator marketplace and all that. So this is how to create a US or UK TikTok account. If this video worked for you, let me know in the comment section. And then once again, do well to give us a subscribe, turn on our notification bell so that anytime we drop a video, you'll be the first to see, and subscribe to us. See you in our next video. Bye for now.